Hey guys, welcome to Chapter 8, Lesson 5. Today we're going to be multiplying by 9. Now, 9 seems to be pretty tricky for many kids, so I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks along the way to help you out. So let's get started. All right, so example 1 here says, butterflies are gathered on 5 branches of a tree. 5 branches of a tree. There are 9 butterflies on each branch. What is the total number of butterflies on the tree? So in this example, we're trying to find 5 times 9. 5 groups of 9, or 9 groups of 5. We can do both ways, right? So if I count by 5s, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 groups of 5. Okay, so we know there are 45 butterflies. But what if we can't count by 5s? Here's a cool way of looking at this. We know quick, 5 times 10 is 50, right? 5 times 10 is 50. So what if I took away a 5? Instead of having 10 groups of 5, what if I had 9 groups of 5? Well, I take 5 away from 50, and that's 45, which is also our answer. So that's kind of a fun way to do it. 50 minus 5 is 45. So that means 5 times 9 is 45. There are 45 butterflies on the tree. Another way is we can use patterns to help remember the 9's facts. Example 2 says, refer to the multiplication table. Describe the pattern among the 9's facts. Then use the pattern to find 8 times 9. So here we go. 9's facts. What kind of a pattern do we see? Shade the row green that gives us the product of the factor of 9. Oops, I didn't listen. Green, not red. And it said row. Row means left to right, going side to side, rows, right? Okay, 2, beginning with the 18, the tens digit in each product is 1 less than the factor that is not 9. The sum of the digits in each product is 9. Okay, ready? So if I'm going to do 2 times 9, and I take away 1 from the 2, I'd get a 1. 1 plus 8, they're always going to equal to 9. So 1 plus what equals 9? It's an 8, 18. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 plus what makes 9? 2 plus 7 makes 9, 27. 4 minus 1 is 3, so this answer is going to be 3, and then I think 30-something. 30 plus what is equal to 9? 6. 36. So if I use the same pattern to find 8 times 9, I do 8 minus 1 is 7, 70. And then 7 plus what equals 9? 2, 72. Okay. Here it says use the commutative property to find each product or missing factor. 2 times 9 is equal to 18. What am I supposed to do here? Oh, commutative property. Okay, so that means 9 times 2 is also equal to 18. If we know 4 times 9 is just doubling 2 times 9, right? So it'd be 18 plus 18. 36, or we could do our trick of 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 plus what equals 9? 6. So our answer is 36. So that means 9 times 4 is also 36. Okay, 3 9s. Well, if I know 2 9s are 18, 3 9s will be 18 plus 9, which would be 27. And 9 times 3 is also 27. All right, here's the first trick. Now I can't see what I'm doing, so I hope you can see me. Okay, so if I'm going to use my hands here, I could do 9 times 7. So what I do is I start over here on the left, just like I read, left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9 times 7 is 60. This is our tens on this side of the finger down. So you have 6 fingers up here and 3 over here. So it's 63. 9 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 30, 3 tens, 6 ones, 36. Let's do 9 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My 8th finger goes down and that makes 72. Right? And so this works for all of our 9s up through 10, which is 90. I have 9 tens, 0 ones. Right? So 9 times 2, 1, 2. 1 10, 8 ones, 18. So that's the first trick. The next one's going to be a little different. So let's check that out. So here we go. This kind of follows the last one that we did on our practice, our examples. But if we think of 9 times 1 is 9, then watch this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are all the ones values. Okay, then if I go back up, 0. Then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 0, I guess you could put 0 tens, 9 ones. But so 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. So this would be helpful if you're somebody who usually writes down the multiples like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. If you're one of those kids, this way is really helpful. You don't have to think very much, right? The 1s start at 9 and go down. The 10s start at 9. Well, if we're coming around this way, then our 10s places go down by 1 each time. So that's kind of another little trick to help you out. Thanks for watching to the end. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.